All right, so have you ever wondered how farmers plant millions of tiny seeds in a huge field without doing it by hand? So this machine that we're going to go over today is called an air seeder. And so here we go. So an air seeder uses forced air, and it's basically like a giant leaf blower. So we've got our tank right here, we've got our seeds, sometimes fertilizer gets put into here, that all travels down through gravity to this set of wheels here. Now the faster that these wheels spin, the more seeds that are allowed to move through this channel right here and get pushed down into the next chamber. Okay, the faster it spins, the more seeds come through. The slower it spins, you guys can kind of paint that picture. Okay, now there's a whole lot of gearing that kind of goes along with this process. You can see how wide sometimes these chambers get. This is one set of chambers out of the 4 that are in this one right here. These gearings right here help spin the wheel so that the seeds can actually come through. And so like I said, we've got 4 different chambers that they use for this. Now this is basically the giant leaf blower. So it's gonna force air like a turbo and push this air through this system, through these guided channels and these hoses right here to where it meets that actual seed. Okay, so once that seed comes into contact with that forced air, it's gonna be pushed through and into the rest of the system. Okay, so as those seeds fall through, they're going to get pushed into these channels right here and spread throughout the entire system right here. And each spot that those openings have, it's going to push it down here, place that seed into the ground. This is an opener, so it's going to split the ground just slightly so that those seeds can get pushed in, and then a push down wheel or a packer wheel gets pushed into right there. That's how air seeders work. The more you know.